Here the fourth question from the exercise 1.4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b equal to -3. One example is the 6 -2. Since 6 divided by -2 equal to -3. So some examples are there. First one, 3 divided by -1 is equal to -3. We know that 3 by 1 is 3. So any of the numbers will be negative. The answer is negative. So this can also be written as -3 divided by 1. -3 divided by 1 also -3. Then 15 divided by -5 is equal to -3. 15 by 5 is 3. So 15 divided by -5 is equal to -3. This also can be written as -15 divided by 5 is equal to -3. Another one, -12 divided by 4 equal to -3. Negative by positive is negative. 12 by 4 is 3. So -12 by 4 is -3, or 12 divided by -4 equal to -3. Then -9 divided by 3 equal to -3. This also -9. We know that -9 by 3 is -3. We can also written as -3 instead of 3. That is 9 by -3 is -3. So here 8 examples. Next question. Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So above 0 we can take it as positive 10. And decrease 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. So 12 degree. At 12 noon 10 degrees Celsius. Then decrease 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Then at 1 p.m. it is 8 degrees Celsius. Then it is decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. Then at 2 p.m. 6 degrees Celsius, 3 p.m. 4 degrees Celsius, 4 p.m. 2 degrees Celsius, 5 p.m. 0 degrees Celsius, and 6 p.m. -2 degrees Celsius. But we want to find the temperature at 12 midnight. Then at 7 p.m. it is -4 degrees Celsius, and again decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. It becomes -6 degrees Celsius at 8 p.m. At 9 p.m. it is -8 degrees Celsius, and 10 p.m. it is -10 degrees Celsius. 11 p.m. it is -12 degrees Celsius, and at 12 p.m. it is -14 degrees Celsius. This is the way we can find out the answer. Also we can find out in another method. Here from 12 noon to 12 midnight, 12 hours. Decrease 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So we want to subtract 12 and -2 decreased 2 degree. So -2 minus 12 is -14 degrees Celsius. That is at 12 midnight -14 degrees Celsius. 12 noon to 12 midnight, total 2 hours. Each hour decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore -24 degrees Celsius, that is 12 into -2. 12 hours. Each hour decreased by 2 degree. So 12 into -2, -24 degrees Celsius. We started the checking of the temperature, that is 10 degree at 12 noon. So we want to subtract 24 from 10, or we want to add 10 plus -24. So this is -14 degree Celsius. The next one more question is there. What is the temperature at 8 p.m.? So 8 hours duration from 12 noon to 8 p.m. and decreased by 2 degrees Celsius in every hour. 8 into -2 is -16. Then temperature at 8 p.m. We want to subtract 16 from 10 or adding negative 16 with the 10. So negative 6 degree Celsius. In the sixth question, in a class test, positive 3 marks for every correct answer and negative 2 marks for every wrong answer. Radhika scored 20 marks. That is 20 marks, and she has got 12 correct answers. So 12 into 3 and negative 2 into number of questions attempted incorrectly. Here we want to find number of questions attempted incorrectly. Her total score is 20. That is, number of questions can be taken as n. So 36 plus negative 2n is equal to 20. Then minus 16 is negative 2n. That is, total marks for correct answer, she got 12 into 3, 36. It is given that her score is 20. That is, score for correct answers plus score for wrong answers is 20. Then 36 is the score for correct answer. So we want to subtract her 36 from 20, that is negative 60. So marks for every wrong answer. Marks for wrong answer is negative 16. So we want to find number of questions attempted wrongly. Since negative 2 marks for wrong answers, so negative 16 by negative 2, we got 8. This is the way we want to find out the answer. Next question related with an elevator, and it descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. Let us look into this figure. This is the ground level. An elevator is 10 meters above the ground level and it is moving down. Moving down means we want to take the number as negative. So it is negative 10. And we want to find the time taken to reach negative 350. So again it wants to move 350 meters below ground level. So here negative 10 and negative 350. So total distance, that is negative 360. Since it is given that 1 minute the elevator descends 6 meters. So we want to take it as negative 6. So time to reach negative 360 meters, that is negative 360 by negative 6. Or we want to find the time, so 360 meters. Total the distance is 360 by 6 meters per minute. That also 360 by 6. It is 60 minutes. That is 1 hour.